My name is Bobby Wiggins, and I'm a sales representative for Accent Roofing Service, and I'm also the fleet manager. I've been with Accent Roofing for about 4 years now. What brought me to Accent Roofing, I was actually a customer before I ever started working for this company. I needed a roof, and Accent Roofing, after doing my research, was my first choice. And I believed in the customer service and the products and the services that they provided so much that I approached the owner, Tom Scribbins, about coming to work for him. I think the most important prior work experience I have is I'm a Marine. My dedication to duty and esprit de corps really sets me apart as far as a sales rep and a team member here at Accent Roofing. After the Marine Corps, I felt it like it was my duty to give back to disabled veterans. So I founded and ran my own nonprofit to do so. In that, I learned how to sell myself and sell the organization. So I bring those skills back to Accent Roofing to help me perform my duties. So my average day actually starts at about 5 o'clock in the morning. I get up, obviously normal home routines. Once I get to the truck, that's when the organized chaos begins. So phones ringing, iPads going, laptops going full speed for 10, 12 hours. You know, I have set appointments throughout my day that I have to meet, and I get to meet new people, which is fantastic for me because I love meeting new people and I help them solve their problems. At the end of the day, towards the afternoon, then I'm usually right in front of the computer trying to manage paperwork and organize roof installs and repair attempts. Then usually it's sending off paperwork to the office so that way everything can get scheduled. As I mentioned, my favorite thing about my job is I get to meet new people every single day. I meet people from all different walks of life, but they all have one thing in common. They have a problem and they want me to fix it. So I enjoy that. That's the most enjoyable part.